Hello everyone. This video is going to be a demonstration video in which I'm going to demonstrate my new program. This is a unique program. It actually auto optimizes the steel frame. Say for example, right now we were seeing a clear span A-type building. So purposefully I have provided a section something like this. So it is not even, you're seeing a smaller depth over here, and then the depth is larger over here. The next piece is having a different depth, and then the frame is failing in the ratio of 3.38, say 9.93 over here, 14 for the columns. So what I'm going to do is from the analysis results, my program is going to automatically optimizes this frame and then going to provide you an optimal solution. So let me go to the program. So I'm running my program now. Okay, here I'm choosing the yield strength and ultimate strength for my material. So these are some parameters for the program to run good. And right now I'm getting input from the stat. So the frame is analyzed, right? So it is extracting all the necessary details from the stat file. Here are some input regions. So right now I'm just providing, I'm not explaining much. And 2, 3, 4 are my wrapper section. So we are all set, ready. And once I press optimize button, so the algorithm will optimize my frame and then will give the result in this page. So I just pressed optimize. You can see the optimization algorithm is running. It might take few seconds. So that would be the time to optimize a frame. Yeah, it is over. So I'm just going to copy these sections, will open the editor, delete the already existing sections, paste a new one. Just going to see the profile. It looks somewhat fine. So let me just run the model. Yeah. So no beams failed. If you see the design results, so the column with 0.911 and 0.737. So yeah, it is somewhat optimized. That's all for this video. So right now I'm taking up R&D projects like this. So if you guys have any idea to create a program for optimization like this, you can ping me in LinkedIn or you can contact me through my website.